a world that's drowning in disease and economic burden. And we have an army of gifted, knowledgeable, talented, passionate, committed distributors who are helping to change the world. Leadership is a privilege. Leadership is a journey. When you call yourself a leader, you recognize that you are responsible for the destiny of others. That's the heart and soul of Herbalife. Distributors, connected to their community in such a unique way, have immense credibility in that community and allow them to inspire their community to do better. What I saw was hope, and I see that in all the clubs. This is about people with heart who care about their community. They continue to build a community. We connect with the community. And you look at a fitness club, you look at the nutrition clubs, you look at all the ways that we can bring our products out there, but it's not about the product. It's bigger than the product. I see people who are obese and had nothing to do, and they partner with Herbalife and they start this fitness club, and now there's hundreds of people like them in there, and they come in and they have their shakes, they exercise, they form social networks, they help each other, they get jobs. I was like, wow. When I was Surgeon General, if I could partner with Herbalife, I could have really changed the world. Remember that. Don't think small, think big. Think world. Think that you can change the world. As we do all of this, we're building a brand. A brand is our identity. It's how the rest of the world sees us. And the brand is really based on our ethics, our values, and our integrity. Leaders lead with integrity. Integrity is simply doing the right thing when nobody else is watching you. If you set the bar high and you say, I will not go below this bar. This is how I'm going to present my products. This is how I'm going to interrelate with the customers that I have the privilege to serve. You'll be at the highest level all the time. In doing so, you build your brand. You become a very credible authority in your community. But you also build a brand of a company. That's a global company. And it works together. When you hear people say Herbalife, you want them to think, wow. Best company, best people, best products, best opportunity. If you set the standard high and never drop below that bar, then we all move forward together as a team. We are a company with the potential to change the world. So let's go change the world, folks.